Hello everyone and welcome to Pulse. It's me, Mother Nature, and I'm here to reward all of you who've been ditching the disposables this plastic-free July by giving you a hug. From me, Mother Nature. I don't think anyone can see me, I'm camouflaged well. No one will suspect a thing. Thank you for saving the environment.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you for saving the environment.
Thank you, lovely. Yeah.
Amazing job, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for saving the environment.
Thank you.
Good job. Ditch the disposables! I didn't hit you, did I? So I'm in the quad. I'm going to see if people have been using their reusable bottles. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for saving the environment. Thank you for saving the environment.
Hey, Sarah.
I'm not sorry, I'm Mother Nature. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Pulse, guys. Remember to keep ditching the disposables, and you don't just have to do it this month, you can do it all months. See you later.